Bird and Fish by Danny Koyman. Bird loves fish, and fish loves bird. I know. It sounds absurd. They're so in love that they don't care whether they're in sea or air. Bird dives in, gets all wet, and fish jumps out and holds his breath. Bird brings a bowl to visit fish, and through the glass, they try to kiss. Bird brings fish to see his nest. Fish can't find a place to rest. Fish brings bird to meet his school, and they say, "Fish, you are a fool." Bird brings fish to meet his flock, and they say, "Bird's a poppycock." Turned away, they play all day, but in the end, bird has to say, "Fish, you know I love you true, and want to share so much with you. Can't share my nest, can't share the sky, I can't share a hug and still stay dry." Fish says, "Bird, I love you too. I hate the things we cannot do. Can't share my reef, can't share the deep, can't hold you while I fall asleep." Floating, flying, feeling down, they stop and stare and share a frown. Bird loves fish, and fish loves bird. Sweetest, saddest thing I've heard. It ends the same as it begins. Their eyes meet, and they try again.